In a press conference held in the German capital Berlin, a group of Turkish and German lawyers announced filing a lawsuit in the office of the German Attorney General against Bashar Assad. It will be filed in the Federal Justice Court. The lawyers spoke about the crimes perpetrated by the Assad regime against Syrians. The killings were labeled war crimes and crimes against humanity. The lawyers considered the crimes as sufficient evidence to convict Assad before the German Judiciary System. The case is suited while ways to bring Assad to International Criminal Court have been blocked by the Russian veto in the United Nations Security Council.
We will take all legal measures in this case. We will also hold contacts with the German government and members of parliament. I assure you that this case will be accepted because it has sufficient solid evidence which convicts Assad.
The lawyers said that they depended on reports of German and international NGO in the filed suit. They also depended on 630 asylum applications by Syrian refugees, proof that cases of killing and torture were conducted by Assad terrorists against their families in cities and villages from which they fled, escaping the regime's brutality.
The German government is trying to reduce the number of refugees in Germany so as to minimize the scale of Assad regime's brutality. This is taking place now in the Immigration and Refugee Directorates and the competent bodies.
It is worthy to note that the group relied on the international criminal law provided for in the German law, which gives the right to file lawsuit of this type. Similar cases took place previously during the war in Yugoslavia, which forced Milosevic to appear before the court after many years. This lawsuit filed against the head of the regime in Syria in the German judiciary is the first of its kind. Those who filed it want to put more pressure on the German government regarding the Syrian file, hoping that Assad will appear before a court in the foreseeable future. Maxim Isa, Orient News, Berlin.